welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to start restore or repair this Nelrod press camera and introduce you to it. So this is what it things are loose. This is a relatively rare camera. It's I think it was most well known from the fact that it had a flashlight system, and it's that had using batteries inside this device, and it could give the user an electric shock. There was a lot of problems, so this one never became very common. These are the attachments for the flash. It's a relatively rare camera. So here's the lens, frame. There's a dial there that moves as you focus. Back. This one is missing completely. Leathers are missing here and there. I'm not sure if this had any kind of back. I think we can try to make our own or try to find something to put here. I don't think this is for the standard back, no. Probably should have something spring-like something. Okay, maybe I need to get some back for here. Here's viewfinder, and there's a battery. Here's the shutter. Shutter actually works. It's not in very good condition. It's been like in this position for way too long, so this fabric is okay. The one in the bottom, let's see if you can see it's warped. That basically means the rubber has cracked, and it's not supposed to go this far. So it needs to be glued a bit. I think this needs to be glued onto the roller. This one needs to be fixed. I fixed this before, but not sure if it's possible within this camera, but we will see. Anyway, I don't want to ruin this either, because like I said, this is a rather rare camera. Cannot be often gotten, and they are very expensive sometimes when you get them. I was lucky to manage to get this one. And there's actually the different Nelrods. I think even, I don't think they made a large amount of them, but even within the amount they made these, many of them seem to look very different frames. I'm not sure, did they buy these from somewhere, parts, whatever, but there's a lot of weird stuff here, because I was thinking, like, this is metal. I was thinking this one is metal, but no, the upper level hole is just transparent plexi. So the whole thing is transparent. They covered it with leather and put the dial there. Weird. I wouldn't be surprised if they bought a lot of other parts from some other camera manufacturer, because this frame reminds me a bit of the micro precision products, large format cameras. And in some parts it reminds me of a few other manufacturers. Anyway. So I think I will start with gluing all of this in place. So I will just use a contact cement, and no, I use the bad smelling one, because that one works reliably. They have these contact cements which smell nice, but they're not the same thing. I put on one surface if I want, and then down if I want it easily removed. Most cases, cameras, it's enough. If I want that it's never be removed, then I put on two surfaces the glue. And the proper contact cement, old-fashioned one. I think, yeah, I'll first glue things in place so these don't get damaged as we work on other aspects of the camera. So I replaced all the leathers everywhere, and this camera is a battery-operated camera, or functional. So you can see, I have no idea, and I tried to find out what kind of battery it should be, but it's basically here you put batteries or some battery pack or something. Yeah, need to think, okay, oh nice. So it's battery operated, the focal plane shutter is mechanical, and you can switch between the focal plane shutter in the back or the front shutter with this button. This one trips either that mechanical shutter depending on the position of this knob, or it trips this solenoid which is inside there, which moves this one, which trips the shutter. Yeah, there's some of the speeds are slow, some are okay, especially the 1 second as usual is quite done. Does it say Germany there? I didn't notice. Yeah, just reversed. I see it says Nelrod press. You can get this out by pushing this button, and you can get this lens out. Here's the frame binder. Now all the leather is in place. The fun weird part about this one was that it was missing the back altogether. And I was thinking, is it possible that there was a catch or something and the back just got lost? But I don't remember, did I do a video of that? But I have another camera by Dave Instruments. Actually, it's made by G.H. Williamson. But it was made for, if I understand correctly, for a company called Dave Instruments. You can find more about Nelrod in Wikipedia or something like that. So I was wondering about if this was missing, and I have another camera from the same designer manufacturer, which is the Universal. I don't remember, did I do a video about it or not? If not, it will come next probably. So that one has a back, and no, that one, the one Universal camera from the same maker, is completely intact, nothing missing, and it has the same feature here, and there's no like latch to keep it in place. They have a wooden back with a glass there, but basically even in that one you have like this kind of film holders, and you put, and due to the fact that I have that one and I have a huge pile of these holders there, so I decided to donate from that. It's got the case and a lot of flashlights, everything. And I took one of them to be fitted here, so this one feels more complete. But this leather is something I need to find. It's a specific pattern. I could try to replicate the pattern, but yeah, I will do probably another video about finding and replacing a leather and making it look the same. I've done that before. So I also now tried to put power from my power supply to this one, and I did get this lever moving, but not strong enough to release the shutter. I think there's still some features which I haven't figured out, and I was a bit hesitant trying too much voltage and current to it, meaning not to fry anything. So I need to figure out more about the specs of the battery pack, what it is supposed to be, and then I can try to mimic them, and maybe it just needs more cleaning and so on. But anyway, I will continue working on this one. I will make some videos out of it when I get some leathers, more knowledge about the battery pack. Otherwise, this is a really nice camera, nice rounded corners, nice ergonomics. They really thought about the user with this. This boxy shape is more stronger. Okay, there's still bellows there, but at least nothing can puncture them from outside. Yeah. So the Dave Instruments, weird one. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.